Welcome to the exciting phase of communicating your Salesforce mobile rollout. In this unit, we'll guide you on launching an internal marketing campaign, providing best practices for user communication, and developing a training plan. Let's kick things off by outlining the learning objectives for this unit. Launch an internal marketing campaign. List best practices for communicating the upcoming change to users. Develop a training plan. Communication is key, and crafting the right message can make all the difference. In this stage, we'll prepare your users for the upcoming change and generate excitement about the Salesforce app. Let's delve into crafting your marketing message. Now that you have your message, it's time to spread the word. Inject some fun into the project and build buzz for the launch. From email campaigns to posters, raffles, and launch parties, let's explore creative marketing strategies. With your marketing message crafted, communication strategy in place, and a robust training plan, you're well prepared for the upcoming mobile rollout. Stay tuned for the next unit, where we'll witness the culmination of your efforts as we go live with the Salesforce app.